I'll explain the maintenance procedure of cooling water pump. Prepare the exclusive tool for overhaul. Firstly, loosen the impeller of cooling water pump and remove the pump from the engine body. The tightening nut of impeller is the reverse screw, so turn it clockwise when loosening. And also, the method to assemble the impeller and shaft is the screw tightening style. Loosen it by turning the exclusive tool clockwise. Disassemble the removed cooling water pump. Turn the impeller clockwise and remove it. Remove the tightening nut of gear, and ball bearing in order. And then, detach the oil seal from the casing. Replace the mechanical seal, oil seal, and bearing under the instruction. Reassemble the cooling water pump in inverse order for disassembly. Be careful not to damage the lip of oil seal when assembling the shaft. Fasten the impeller, the tightening nut of impeller, and drive gear with the specified torque as you are watching in the video. Check the backlush and mount it on the engine. The work will be completed.